Do you want to learn how to make your own corn dough for tortillas? Well, today I want to share with you how to make your own corn masa at home from scratch. The ingredients are 1,000 grams of non-GMO heirloom maize, 12 cups of filtered water, and 9 grams of cal, also known as pickling lime or calcium hydroxide. Corn tortillas are an ancient recipe from Mexico. We can trace it back as far as 10,000 BC, making this one of the most important recipes in our history until this day. The nixtamalization of corn is such an amazing discovery. This is the process where we take the maize, add an alkaline solution, and then boil it in water. Not only does this help in making the masa or the dough for tortillas, but it actually helps in making the nutrients become bioavailable, truly awakening the corn's nutrients. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low setting and simmer for an hour and 10 minutes until the maize is al dente. Then turn off the heat and rest overnight. At the beginning of the season, I shared with you that I've been learning how to make my own nixtamal from my mom, who has over 40 years of experience in making nixtamal in the dough for tortillas. I wanted to make this recipe one that you can create at home easily. So I've tested it many times using many different tools that you probably have in your kitchen, such as the food processor and even a Vitamix blender. Unfortunately, most tools did not work well with masa. The food processor ended up heating up the masa too much, making it very gummy. And what I thought was going to be the best one, the Vitamix, ended up really choking up no matter which method I tried to use with it. In the end, I found that the best and least expensive way to make this at home was just using the traditional hand mill. You have to buy some really good high quality maize, then pay some special attention to detail in the nixtamalization, and lastly, pass your dough through the hand mill twice, and this will give you some really good masa for tortillas. I've noticed a growing interest recently over good quality masa, and this just makes me so happy to see. I know that the process may seem a little intimidating at first, but once you try it out a couple times, it's actually quite easy, and it will give you some of the best tortillas that you've probably ever had. So I really hope that you try out this recipe, and if you need any detailed instructions on how to press the tortillas or make them on the comal, I will make sure to leave that video here. Buen provecho.